Hey, what's up, parceros? How's it going? I'm right here in hills of Colombia. This is Cajamarca, Tolima. So we are up about for almost 2,500 meters over the sea level. So we're gonna see if the Neo can fly at this height. So with the 5-blade propellers. So we're gonna send the drone right in front of to go to Cajamarca. Right there is Cajamarca, the little town in Tolima, in Colombia. So and see what happened. So we're gonna fly up this little drone, and we're gonna see what happened. And to answer the question if the Neo can fly at these heights. So let's get started. So we're gonna put to record the screen. So I've downgraded the firmware. So for the previous one, the last version of the firmware, let's just check if the microphone is working. Yeah, everything is working. So okay. So if you can see the info, the firmware of the aircraft is the 0300. If you go back, there is a new firmware, but no. Since I put this, the behavior of the drone is get better. So okay, let's just start it. Okay.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
Okay, let's go, little man. Put in speed in sports. Put to record. We're gonna go up over to 120, the more height of the drone. So you can see the altitude. Since the altitude is high, the aircraft can maintain the altitude because of out of power or something. It doesn't recommend to continue flying, but we're gonna do this test to see what happened. It seems like the wind is not helping us. It's against us. So you can see the speed of the drone. It's not quite good. So yeah, we're gonna go up over 120 meters to see what happened and to see how far we can get with this at this height. Okay. Let's just control. I'm going to cruise control. So cruise control. So I just this is one of the main principal roads in Colombia. This road communicates Bogota to Pacific Sea. In one of the ports, the principal ports is in Buenaventura. We are in the central hills, Cordillera Central. This is one of the important, all of the economy, all of the principal economy pass through here. So yeah, this is one of the newest roads in Colombia with a lot of tunnels. We have here the largest tunnel in Latin America with almost 9 kilometers of the tunnel. So yeah, we can see Cajamarca at the center of the screen. That is Cajamarca. So we reach 1 kilometer. So we're gonna see how far we can get. The strong winds, but you can see the image is really steady. We're reaching 62% of battery. 24 satellites. So maybe we can get almost 1 kilometer and 500 meters, 1.5 kilometers. So we're gonna see what happens. 58, the RTH is gonna come up. So let's see if we can get 1.5 kilometers. With the Neo at these conditions. 55.
Battery level is
So
low.
cool.
Aircraft
Let's
will
push
return to the home point in 10
until
seconds.
1.5 kilometers.
Low battery. Return to home promptly.
And then we go back. Okay. 1.5. So let's go back. So if you can see the speed, it's almost 10 kilometers more per hour. So yeah, that's the central hills of Colombia. Go there is the big tunnel. You can see a lot of tunnels. So yeah, these fields are avocado, tomato, and onions. There is a lot of farming things here at this area of the Colombia. Cajamarca, it's called the dispenser. I don't know how to say the dispenser of the food of Colombia. There's a lot of food here, and then to provide the food all over the country. Cruise control again. Oh, the sounds. Okay, we have 39%. So let's okay, to deactivate the cruise control, let's go down this little man. So the answer, if the Neo can fly at these heights, the answer is yes. Maybe with precaution, but you can fly. So yes, that's the house. 29% of battery. Strong winds. Almost 200 meters to get here. Let's go down more. Okay, we can. Okay, we see. I see here. Come on, little man. I'm right here, boy. Hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello.
Landing.
Yeah. So yes, the answer is yes. And I want to show you here what is the GPS position. We are in about 2,441 meters over the sea level. So the answer is yes. You can fly the Neo at this height. So go for it. Thank you very much for watching. If you guys want to know how to downgrade the firmware version of the Neo, just let me know in the comment section. I will do some tutorial or something. It's pretty easy, but maybe for you, I tried to do it with Mac, but I couldn't. Only Windows. So yeah, let me know. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.